Hello guys and welcome to today's video. It's so good to see you all. I hope you're all smiling. Today we're going to be talking about how I got my first wedding clients and how that led to more wedding clients. Here we go. Alright, so you're a photographer or you're a videographer, you want to get wedding clients and get paid a little bit of money for doing what you love, and that means you can buy better cameras. I know, I was there too. So, I had a passion for photography originally. I went overseas for 6 months and I spent 2 months in America where I started taking photos and putting them on Facebook. And then all my friends started seeing them on Facebook, and I came back and everyone was like, "Oh wow, you're so good at photos, can you take photos for me, can you take photos for this?" So I started getting work that way. So fast forward about a year later, work was going okay. I was still working 3 other jobs, so I could do photography on the weekends and when I wasn't working other jobs. So that was lots of fun, I was having good fun, but I wanted better paying jobs. So my friend Sam proposed to my friend Tyler, and they'd been dating for a long time. They decided they were going to get married, and then I was like, wow, what an opportunity. I was like to them, "Can I do video at your wedding? Please, 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 please." At the time I had a 60D and I hired a 1DX and I hired another video camera that I can't even remember. And yeah, they gave me $200 because I had to pay $200 for hire, but that's all I got. I made absolutely no money from it at all. But I had this love for videography and I wanted to chase this passion and see where this could take me. So, I'm going to tell you guys the rest in a minute, except right now, my friend Sam and I, we're about to go go-karting in the city. So, I'm going to whip out the GoPro. I'm going to take you guys go-karting with me. So let's go. Okay, so I am back from go-karting. I'm now at my girlfriend's place. It's an absolute mess here because she's studying. But go-karting was sick. Before I went go-karting, we were talking about Sam and Tyler, my friends, were getting married, and I put up my hand and asked if I could do video at their wedding, and they said that I could. So I got paid nothing for that. Only the $200 that it was for hire, but it was a great experience. I'll put in a few clips here of the video I made.
What we've seen, all that we've learned, built up to this day. And our Father's spoken, in this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan. And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see me holding your hand. Here we are, we found the day like we'd always prayed.
It was only 2 minutes long though, so it's not like it was a full-length wedding video, but it was something to start off with. So, if you know someone who's getting married, you can just be like, "Hey, can I film at your wedding? Can I take photos at your wedding?" And more than likely they're going to say yes, because you're offering it for free. And yeah, you do your best work, you try really hard, because then you can use that as a portfolio piece in the future. So after Sam and Tyler Tyler actually knew someone who was getting married, and she saw the wedding video that I created for him, and they reached out for me and asked me to do their wedding. So there you go, bang, got another wedding. Then from that, I got another wedding, and so on and so forth. So that is a really good way to get started off. If you don't know someone who's getting married, then you can just put up a post like, oh, if anyone knows anyone getting married, like, can you say, oh, my friend's a photographer or a videographer and he would love to do something at your wedding. And then that's a really good way to get into it. And then you post at places and you start promoting yourself doing wedding stuff. And it just snowballs from there. So, prices. When I started off, I was only doing, obviously I charged nothing for my first wedding, $200 just to cover the hire. But from then on, my prices started going up and up to the point where now it's about $2,500 for a wedding. On my website, you can see right here that my prices are $2,599 for both photography and videography at the moment. So that'll probably go up in the future, and it's been gradually going up as I've been getting better. That's all the information I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, leave me in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, please, so that I know to make more videos like this in the future, if that's what you want to do. And yeah, click subscribe, please. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.